public services course. It's rewarding and fulfilling. It's being able to wake up in the morning and to know that you've made a difference, a positive difference to people's lives. Students, they see that and they can live and breathe it as well. So our course prepares students for a rewarding and exciting career across the public sector. Whether students want to become police officers or to work in the fire and rescue service and any other public sector, we support students to understand how each of those operate and learn to thrive in them. Students are expected to work together, gather intelligence and to develop solutions to kind of real-world problems that will help tackle crime, coordinate emergency and disaster responses, combat poverty. As part of their learning, students will engage with an intensive professional placement in prison, in the fire service, or in a local authority, or even in an NGO. It gives them real-world experience of working in a public sector organisation. It gives them an edge in future employment opportunities. We're really proud of the fact that we are supporting and developing tomorrow's public service leaders today.